second. Let me.
Did you flip it to get that out of there?
Yeah, if you go in and find it, open it maybe right there. And then we will, as soon as he comes out, then we'll set this guy back over it. Don't give you much grabber spot, but once you catch the limb, you should, there you go. Oops. Now what you have to do is free the queen. Do not let that yellow piece fall in. So you have to put your thumb on it. Because if it falls in there, we're in trouble. Okay. Now you can just slide it up and off of that. And here she comes. So take her over and do whatever, and I'll put the top back on it. Shake the bees off. Now we got to get the cork out of the bottom. You find it right down here under there. There you go. Stick it in there and then put the yellow strap so that it sits kind of at like a 45, somewhere right like that. Okay. Then you get the you get to do the shake, and you really can't hurt them. And Lentz, you can feel free to stomp it on the ground and put them all at one end.
The rest of them will come out, won't they?
They will. If you set it in front of it, they'll now know that the queen's pheromone is no longer coming.
That's a problem when I did there.
Nope, nope. They'll lift up and go in.
Okay.
There'll be no problem. And what they'll do, Lentz, if you just leave it there, the bees will move. You'll see them going out from underneath because they feel that pressure on them. It's almost down level. Then we want to kind of push it together just a little bit so that anything smaller than 1/4 of an inch, they will build wax. Anything larger, they'll build propolis, which is basically wood. So right about there. Put the top on.
And it just sits on there.
Yep, it sits on there.
If there's not, it just lays on there.
Yep, just lays on there, and then that goes on there. And you can put this guy in the front door. And then this, I brought this. This is basically pollen. This is mixed together. And so what we'll do, this will sustain them because there's nothing in the hives right now for them. They only have sugar water. But they'll bring this to the queen, and she'll realize that, okay, it's time for me to start laying eggs. So we can just lay this in the front trough there. We can lay it all around.
Just one big piece like that?
Just one big piece.
Right there?
Yep, perfect. And then we'll put some on the other one, and we'll put some out in front of it. They'll find this instantly and start bringing it to the queen. And this tells her that, yes, Mother Nature's up and running. It is time to start laying eggs.
This is a pheromone.
No, it's actually just pollen. You can leave the plastic on it, or it's just wax paper. They'll chew it up. It's just pollen and molasses.
Okay.
So now we can pick up these guys and this can. We can let them eat the rest of this can, and then Oscar, you can pick it up this afternoon. They'll all be in, and they'll all be taken care of. So we're effectively done. We can bring these back inside for when we're done feeding with the liquid. Lentz, I'll have you put that sugar syrup on that guy. Let me work on scooping some of these guys out there because boy, they want we're done.
Wow.
Springfield bees. Nice. No, you love it. So in about a month, Lentz, we need to put another 10 frame box on top. And then in about a week, we need to go in there and check. Bring a little piece of puller, and make sure she's out. And when she'll be out, and then you just lift it out, close the frames together, and you're done. So, the only thing that can trip you up between now and then is if you can keep this as extra food and then have a chef come up with some sugar water. They're too small for seriously.
This sugar and water.
Heat the water. And this is very here. This is basically sugar.
Is there like,
If I wanted this to buy like a kilo of sugar like that now.
really?
They will eat anything. But these guys here, they'll move up. There's no problem. I mean, right now they're like, what the world?
Why did I do that?
But look, they're here already.